कॉन्ग्रुएंस ऑफ आर्क्स कंसाची एकरूपता. Congruent figure. Already we have to learn in 8th and 9th standard the congruent figure. When two coplanar figures coincide with each other, they are called congruent figure. This is a given triangle and other this triangle. When these two triangles are coincide with each other, such two triangles are congruent figure. These two triangles are congruent figure. Congruent angle. Two angles of equal measure are called congruent angle. Measure of angle ABC is equal to 60 and measure of angle PQR is equal to 60. Measures of both triangles are unequal, hence angle ABC congruent angle PQR. Similarly, congruent arc. In this figure, O is the center of circle. These two circles are said to be concentric circle. In a concentric circle with center O, in angle is angle AOB, AOB and angle EOF congruent? Yes. Two angles have same measures, therefore angle AOB and angle EOF are congruent angle. Is arc AB and arc EF congruent? No. They are not coincide. It is not congruent. Therefore, congruent arcs means two arcs are congruent if their measures and radii are equal. Arc AB and arc EF having same measures but radii are different, therefore arc AB and arc EF are not congruent. Arc AB and arc PQ are congruent arc. Arc DC congruent arc EF. These arcs having same measures and same radii. Therefore, congruent arc means two arcs are congruent if their measures and radii are equal. दोन कंस एकरूप असण्यासाठी त्यांचे संगत कोन एकरूप आणि त्रिज्या एकरूप असणे आवश्यक आहे. Properties of some measures of arcs. Sum of measures of arc कंसाच्या मापाची बेरीज. In figure, point A, B, C, D, E, F are concyclic. From these points, many arcs form. Show this figure. With circle, on circle there are point A, B, C, D, E, F on it. From this point, many arcs form. Arc AB, arc BC, arc ABC, arc CD, arc BCD, arc ABD in this way. There is one and only one common end point of two arcs. Such two arcs are sum of measures of arc. दोन कंसाची बेरीज म्हणजे त्या दोन कंसाच्या एकतरी अंत्यबिंदू सामायिक असणे महत्त्वाचे आहे, तेव्हाच त्या दोन कंसाची बेरीज करता येते. आर्क ABC and arc CDE have one and only one end point C is common. Therefore, arc ABC, arc ACE is a sum of measure of arc ABC and arc CDE. Therefore, arc ABC plus arc CDE is equal to arc ABE or ACE or ADE E. Take any one name. Which arc is sum of arc BCD and arc FED? In these two arcs, one endpoint D is common. Therefore, arc BDF or arc BCF or arc BDF arc are the sum of arc BCD and arc FED. Is sum of two arc ABC and arc DEF and why? No, because there is no any one endpoint common between arc ABC and arc DEF.